Ladies and gentlemen, very special treat for you today. I'm standing right in front of a beautiful, beautiful avocado tree. Check it out. Look at this. This is just magnificent. Woo! Beautiful tree. My goodness. I'm in the neighborhood where I grew up, and this tree has always stood out to me. This tree was big even when I was a kid, and I was walking this neighborhood all the time and noticed this tree, and I was very lucky to be able to come in here. The neighbor was nice enough to let me come back here and look at this tree up close. And I am shocked. This tree is fantastic. Look at all the fruit it has. Whoa! Heavy, heavy fruit set of this nice avocado. This is a seedling. It was planted, I think 45 years ago. Look at the roots. Avocado roots are very shallow. And this tree's roots are basically right up along the soil line. That's what avocado roots do. They don't go that deep. Even on a big tree like this, its roots don't go that deep at all. And it makes so many avocados. Look at this. There's avocados all over the place. Wow. Amazing. And the owner says he starts picking these in April. But he says he leaves them on the tree for about 6 months. And the flavor just gets better and better and better. And by August, he says the fruit is really, really good. But in April, he says it starts to taste good. But of course, if you let the fruit hang on the tree longer, the flavor just deepens and just gets excellent. More avocados here. And there. There too. There. Really all over the place. Wow. I am just amazed to be under here. This is a big tree and it has fruit all over. Up there too. Avocados hanging. This tree I'm gonna say is 30 feet tall and about 30 feet wide. And it spreads and it holds quite a bit of fruit. And guys, do you recognize this? Looks to me, the closest is Noel's avocado. Looks kind of like this. And the fruit stays green when it gets ripe. And yeah. I hope to try some of this fruit in a few months. Hopefully the owner can give me some fruit so we could try it, do a taste test. This is really exciting to find varieties like this. Local varieties like this are sometimes really, really standouts. And this is great. And we already cut some scions. And we're gonna do some grafting later. And yeah, this is cool, really cool. Love trees like this, love hanging out underneath glorious avocado trees like this one we found here. And let's see. This is lace bug. This is lace bug infection. This is no good. You want to get rid of this as fast as you can. You see the little black pepper stuff down here? Just rub it out. But on a tree this size, that doesn't make sense because there's too much. The tree's too big. But wherever you see that lace bug, you want to get rid of it because you want to preserve beautiful avocado trees like this. Man, I'm excited to try this fruit. Hopefully I can try some. But I just wanted to show you guys, share with you guys this tree. It's flowering heavily, heavy flowering and holding fruit. That's a characteristic of quite a few avocados. And these are just varying sizes. This looks like it has the bumpy skin of a Guatemalan type. So I'm thinking this is like a Guatemalan Mexican hybrid cross. Yeah. Someone probably just tossed a seed back here. Back in the times when folks would grow avocados from seed, because those trees were tougher than grafted trees. Grafted trees can suffer after a cold spell, but a seedling tree like this is tougher than a grafted one. It could withstand a little bit colder temperatures, just a little bit. Wow, look at all the avocados swinging in the wind. Wow. Nice. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. I'm gonna be traveling around Southern California quite a bit, looking for unique standout varieties like this, and I'm gonna share it with you. So subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming series of glorious, tremendous avocado trees, seedling, random varieties, unnamed, all around town. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Here's our scions. Got the scions going already, baby.